Welcome to the first section on understanding Error Code 2001 in Marvel Rivals. Error Code 2001 means matchmaking failed. This occurs when the game cannot pair you with other players. What causes this error? The main reasons include server issues from the game's developer, network connectivity problems on your end, or bugs within the game itself. While this error has been greatly reduced since its peak in early 2025, it can still happen during busy times like peak hours or special events. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and get you back into the action quickly. Before diving into troubleshooting your own connection, always start by checking if the Marvel Rivals servers are online. Server outages, especially in specific regions, are a common cause of Error 2001, the matchmaking failed issue. To check server status, use the in-game launcher first. It often displays real-time updates on server availability. Alternatively, check NetEase's official app or website for detailed server status information. These sources provide comprehensive updates on any ongoing issues. Pay attention to regional outages, as they can specifically trigger Error 2001 in your area. The globe icon represents how server issues can affect different parts of the world. If you confirm the servers are down, the problem isn't on your end. You'll need to wait patiently while NetEase resolves the issue on their side. Finally, check back periodically for updates. Server status can change quickly, and NetEase often provides timely information on their platforms. Start with the simplest solutions for fixing Error Code 2001 in Marvel Rivals. First, completely close and restart the Marvel Rivals game client. This can resolve temporary glitches that cause matchmaking failures. If the error persists, use the Verify Game Files option in your game launcher, whether Steam or Epic Games Store. This checks for corrupted or missing files and automatically replaces them, often fixing matchmaking issues. A stable internet connection is crucial for fixing Error Code 2001 in Marvel Rivals. Let's start by checking your network setup. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more reliable signal. Wi-Fi can be affected by interference, while Ethernet provides a direct, stable link. Plug an Ethernet cable directly into your computer for the best connection. Make sure the cable is securely connected. Next, flush your DNS to clear cached IP addresses that may be causing conflicts. DNS caching can sometimes hold outdated information. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator and type the flush command. Type config flush DNS and press enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS cache was successfully flushed. Finally, restart your computer after flushing your DNS to ensure the changes take effect. Advanced network troubleshooting for Marvel Rivals involves port forwarding to ensure the game can communicate through your network. Port forwarding opens specific ports that the game needs for stable connections. To set up port forwarding, first access your router's settings through a web browser. Most routers use an address like 192.168.1.1. Log in with your router's admin username and password, usually found on the router label. Navigate to the port forwarding or virtual server section in your router's menu. Forward TCP and UDP ports, 3000 through 3009 to your computer's internal IP address. Marvel Rivals uses these ports for its matchmaking and game communication. Find your computer's IP address in the router's connected devices list or use a command like ipconfig on Windows. Enter this IP in the port forwarding rule. Save the settings and restart your router if prompted. Consult your router's manual for model-specific instructions. Proper port forwarding improves connection stability and can significantly reduce Error 2001 matchmaking failures by ensuring the game traffic isn't blocked by your router. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, can sometimes interfere with the matchmaking process in Marvel Rivals. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, can sometimes interfere with the matchmaking process in Marvel Rivals. Disable any VPN you are using and try launching the game again. Also, check for any other software running in the background that might be conflicting with Marvel Rivals, such as firewalls or antivirus programs. Temporarily disable these programs to see if it resolves the issue, then add Marvel Rivals as an exception. Marvel Rivals uses a sophisticated matchmaking system to pair players into balanced and enjoyable games. This system considers several key factors to ensure fair matches. The matchmaking system evaluates players based on four main factors: skill rating, which measures your competitive level, region, to connect you with nearby players, latency or ping time to minimize lag, and hero preferences to match teams with similar playstyles. Let's break down each factor. Skill rating ensures fair competition by pairing similar skilled players. Region minimizes lag by connecting local players. Latency or ping is crucial for real-time action games. Hero preferences help create varied and fun matchups. For example, latency is measured as ping time. This image shows how packets are sent and received, calculating round-trip time for smooth gameplay. Error 2001 happens when matchmaking fails. Common causes include server overloads during peak times and data synchronization errors, where network issues disrupt the pairing process. Understanding these fundamentals highlights why network stability and server health are essential. A good connection and well-maintained servers reduce the chance of Error 2001. If the troubleshooting steps haven't resolved Error Code 2001, the issue might require more advanced assistance. Contact NetEase support through their official website or forums, providing details about Error Code 2001 and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. NetEase is continuously working to improve matchmaking through AI-driven diagnostics and server infrastructure upgrades. Keep your game updated to benefit from these improvements.